What's going on, everybody? My name is Terry. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys and gals have all been doing fantastic out there. I've been posting a lot of short form content, not really doing a lot of longer videos these days. I apologize, everybody. I really do, but there is something that I really want to show you guys and gals. In my last Meld Studio video, I had a couple people ask me in the comments below, hey Terry, can you show how to set up their multi-canvas? Because as we all know now, folks, in Meld, you can do a horizontal canvas and also a vertical canvas for either, streaming or recording, or a combination of the two if you would like. The cool thing about how Meld has theirs set up is that there's no kind of third-party plugin required. Their multi-canvas support is built in, and the way they have it, it is ridiculously simple. You could set it up in literally 30 seconds for a basic scene. I'm gonna show you how you can do that right now. All right, everybody, so as y'all can see, I have Meld Studio here opened up. I'm recording all this here inside of OBS Studio just to make it a little bit more streamlined here for you all to see directly inside of Meld here, okay? So as you can see, this is my just chatting screen. I got my talking head here. Then on the right hand side, I have my vertical canvas here, but I'm going to actually go ahead and remake a whole new scene in my vertical canvas here for my live screen here. Okay, so as you can see, this is my live scene. I got my webcam, my gameplay, my alerts, all that jazz. But this is the cool thing. To enable multi-canvas, all you have to do is go to File, Preferences, and turn it on. That's all you got to do is just File, Preferences, General, turn it on. It's that simple to actually activate the multi-canvas here. Okay, so now that you got that there, you might have noticed that whenever I clicked in the vertical canvas, it automatically created a new section for layers while simultaneously staying on my live scene. So that means there's going to be no mismatch scenes. Like if you click on live, it's going to go to your ending screen or whatever. These two scenes are going to be linked, which is awesome. So how can I transfer everything from my horizontal canvas here to my vertical canvas here? Y'all, it's as easy as copying and pasting. I'm not even joking here, okay? So I'm going to click back into my horizontal canvas here. I'm going to right click my display capture. I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to click in my vertical canvas here, right click, paste. And it's that simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unlock this and just bring this down just a little bit like that. And I love how it automatically snaps. That it's a great feature. It's wonderful. It really is. Now, because I'm going to go ahead and keep that down here, but I want to make it a little bit bigger, I'm going to increase the size to about right there. I'm going to go ahead and just lock it in place. Now I want to go ahead and bring over my actual webcam here, okay? But I don't want to bring over my small webcam. I think I'm going to bring over my just chatting webcam here, okay? So how do you do that? Not a big deal, y'all. Again, just right click, copy, gonna go back over to live, gonna click back over here, paste. And just like that, it's right there. Now you could also duplicate the source by adding a duplicator layer, but I just went ahead and copy and pasted it just to show you all that it truly is that simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock this, bring this up right about here, make it a little bit smaller to fit where I wanna go. How about right there? And this is a pretty nice looking vertical canvas here so far. But to make sure everything truly is the same though, I'm going to go ahead and add my Streamlab alerts to this vertical canvas here as well. So I'm going to go back to my just chatting scene here. I'm going to click on my horizontal canvas and right here, Streamlab alerts, copy, going to go back to live, going to click back on this scene here, paste, and just like that, I have a pretty good looking vertical canvas. Now, of course, you can get way more fancy with this if you want to, but this is a little bare basic setup here. And as you saw, I did that in like what, 30, 40 seconds? And again, just to prove here, folks, whenever you have a vertical canvas and everything is synced up, all the scenes are linked to one another. You don't have to worry about anything being mismatched or again, going to different scenes by accident. It really is just that simple. All right, y'all, and I'll be honest here, okay? Whenever I said 30 or 40 seconds to make a basic vertical canvas in Meld, I bet y'all didn't believe me, did you? Like, it really is that simple, folks. I cannot stress that enough. Now, again, like I said a second ago, can you make it a lot more intricate, a lot more fancy, a lot more transitions and everything? Yeah, you totally can. But I mean, just to, test the waters for vertical streaming, just to get a basic scene set up, if you can copy and paste a source, you're done. Like, that's literally all you got to do. Now, keep in mind that it does use up some more encoding cycles on your graphics card, but any modern system should be able to handle this, no problem whatsoever. But again, though, folks, your mileage may vary. Now, with all that said, though, y'all, with Meld Studio, because it is truly that simple to get started with a vertical canvas along with your main horizontal canvas, do you think you might start introducing some vertical streams to your lineup? Do you think it might maybe just have this thing set up for some straight up vertical recording? Like, what do y'all think? Do me a favor, sign up down below, and I will catch you guys and gals next time.